Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can verify your age on Discord. So let's get started. First, open Discord and click the User Settings icon in the bottom left corner. Once you're in the Settings menu, go to My Account. Look for the Age Group section and click Verify. Next, select Get Started. If prompted, complete the quick human verification process before continuing. After that, choose the Take a Selfie option. If the device you're using doesn't have a camera, simply scan the QR code with your phone and continue the verification there. If needed, switch to the correct camera, then click Start Face Scan. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete the facial scan. Once the verification is finished, Discord will confirm your age group and your age verification will be successfully completed. You can now continue using any features that require age verification. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.